still have contract with THB? If yes, when are they releasing our new kits?
So they still have contract. They still have contract. It's a contract and it was extended. And as of now, no being denying side extension. Extension that happened around November. No. They say it's still now being denying some extended. And I who got company for so by Omoka so much. So what I know is that Kotoko THB now no besanse. And that is why they are still in it. By the end of this month, it should be in the league start.
This month there's an archer. 7 September.
So everybody say my October 25th.
25th
of this month.
Because we need
to 10 days
this week.
THB
need to catch me say back before league never commence. And I be say
10 day no new one. Send you be any say Kotoko league ni THB number.
Be say me specific because and was say it is so because you see THB before no. Omo kete about 4 clubs in our Premier League. Has Kotoko, Mediema, and I think there's Carrera also. Enti omo pese omo yen omo nyina de no.
Eyo yen say
omo de nyina ba at a goal. That's the enti I'm just
modern money be chere kwan e be fa so no wa ye adwuma moving forward. Personally, omama de na che. And 15th aka less than a month near starting Ghana Premier League. Aka less than a month na league na start. You cannot see say or chairman tadi na maybe the minister by 25th, then in 10 days time the jersey should be in.
Okay.
But the response na there not to be a personal conversation to be fanasa. But Jibo untiminka okay, say 5 teams or 6 teams will be at the Embrambo. You've been Kitten, Kotoko and Karela. Now when you sign a contract not to November. So as a matter of fact, you should have been aware say this season the Kotoko be Juma. Many more that may have happened behind the scenes as in Sabia. Designs some of the banning are rejected and I say BB's idea, but I think say in all nature, and this falls under the brands and partnership manager David Asweye. So his department will probably have to analyze the Kotoko deal with THB and look at whether it is befitting and I say emiti or more plans are once the Kotoko that's what they on tardy and training.
Yeah.
What I know is even there were some of the players come to be chair you. Play with the need the chair.
And a ma
play with the need the chair.
Player back with
player in India. But later, ne so co now could atari and all the action is which can normally say you can in a more professional setting. Think a season could be you have on tardy any day. Ababe Yodia, Ukufia, Ghanaian players here to come back. Some of the people Ghana for the Brebra for because they know say the following season, even if say a sad design a crown of mobile share, and yes, I tardy no because I tardy I was for almost 50 weeks. Oh, almost 40 weeks. And I did training. If you have training, Mamma tray into 3 we send there if you are share red or chamashi blue. Maybe other from green. So within the week we send it twice. No, I use and season query. Even if a sad designs and the crana, you're not for. For some of the players, they felt that once the season is over, they will probably not be using it again, and that is not really the best. Now, when you get this opportunity, I know that TH will move BM. Companies who will be demand. That is where you need to double up your effort. Hard to folk at this point is being kicked by THB and by the house and the AI and AI. Kotoko is being kicked by THB. Mediama is being kicked by THB. It means that Ghana we are capture the Ghanaian market. And Kawoyena a far. You can use that because and then I make say imagine if kid sponsor be back Ghana. Let's say kid sponsor Nigeria and a kid sponsor let's say Cote d'Ivoire on a kid Seka. On value a to sa kit sponsor and you say hey if you Cote d'Ivoire now okay a circuit there that means you are kitting top clubs and nobody me convince Ghanaian teams to patronize your product and say oh free Ghana now ko any other country na kasa had to focus na ketiomo Kotoko na ketiomo Mediama which is a new force our more rise with much magnitude na ketiomo you can use that to convince any other club because imagine so Kenya imagine so Rwanda now kasa okay Kotoko any product in here, papa.
Yeah.
But if they will later find out that those in Ghana are not convinced and those in Ghana are not enjoying the best from you are, hard drink kakra. A sipping. Like I say, maybe now I need TH before me doing a say no. That was the time I got call for Samba. Na Kotoko for Ansu. Kotoko ye Kamara Loda moi. Betamo mo signing no. IMC in the second season. And I was like, Debbie, send your Kotoko start the first match, no Akosha Karela. Second match, no Asashe. Not that time, I replica number. And I met one of them, I was like, Debbie, at this point, Kotoko ye top signing. Was starting league, on a good note. And Europe can buy. This is the moment to cash out. And you take na performance na danepe. Few people will feel proud to be in the Kotoko JC. Just like Blasters World Cup. After first game you share Panama, JC na Soto. You boy England still na Soto. But next match, Croatia na results na amfa. Any Colombia amfa no. After bisa no matter so over 50%.
Yeah.
That is business for you. So in as much as Kotoko ne ban teme ebe you should look at the business side because one back Kotoko say oba be fema keka oba so oba be pesca. Nti sabria ora na e Kotoko ne very positive. Ambience na e Kotoko no wasoro no. This is the time and kebia wo store because I knew they were working on a store amekum ho. No ma just store amekum. Nti this is the time ebi anka store no we bia no just ni bi gum. Oh because pre-season na amount for OPJC bi ato. But here you best start it. Maybe Krana you best start in Krana club na nyane de. But you over turning by first match bi Kotoko akoshe DBBB. Anka oba Kumase no amount for be head 10 club ball. Ebi ni ho. Enti ho no se obi hwe de Kotoko ahye no Kotoko JC na obetimi afa ekire he ya.
So last season so sa me kai say say league ni best start you say league ni shasi you. Na supporters ne complain say replica mai.
Yeah. Enti no obi betimi ahe de Kotoko hye no. No afa ekire ha no waye bi. And because people are calling for it, obi hu ano no watimi atwa kakra gum.
Because if say na contract wo hoda da February SMK season no kura wie na because other areas no sadi we MC clubs no mo hwe and yen can even only TH bi ne Kotoko nko sponsors are omokete clubs e wa so kwa other countries are open ebi ebe bobe last 2 matches to end that particular season e run next season no ma show mo next season jesi.
Oh yeah me TH bi then I want to believe say if on say changing management buy no it affected the whole thing because I say back one can be as me say at a point there someone commodity no with Kotoko no na a go through process bi ye betwam ye ntwam ye betiase ye be ni say nti me kai say nipa na catch am say it might slow certain things down granted but me point in here say on say ubi mu a someone say mu yedin now you have Heart to Folk, now you have Kotoko, now you have Midiama, now you have Karela. Okay, you should have a plan for that because we'll be first maybe a Kotoko into Kotoko the Enkwamba. They say all the house about the count. It means that you are lucky. Oh, say TH be a fortunate power. I bet me be a store takwa. Takwa no be kona Midiama diegum. Na Kotoko diegum. Na house diegum no ton takwa. I bet me be a store Kumase. Now or ton Kotoko de Kumase. A ton house de Kumase. A ton Midiama de Kumase. The same thing as Accra. And it can even proceed to be a Tamale. Where Karela de Ebo has the Ebo Kotoko de Ebo. They say no, can't say business no. After so nya clubs will come on. A bit smoothing and you make a crowd amount. Because Kenya fe na could be a house shop. Who could be a Kotoko shop. A very THB shop. Has new Rahobian dear. Kotoko new Robe ran dear. Media money at Intikasabre no. In terms of business wise, you should widen your capacity and hit the ground running, especially at this moment. Possible say betting starting league in these clubs can just be firing all angles and demand Bekosoro. The same way it is possible. Say betting started, na clubs in performance in
okay.
So Sabrina, there is no risk, no. Sabrina is all cash out.
Alex
50%. And some starting season, then a far. What other be maba? And fun part when it can the pre-season, any breaky, atom Sabri say has a pharmacy. Sabri say Kotoko akofa Kofi Bini abe. What you say?
You should do a Gita Rick should do. I say players not to need. Ngolo Conte.
Gita Rick.
Aye.
Gita Rick or winger.
I'm saying Akuma no the two Mikano. Is it using Nampa or Fahano Ra? Ngolo Conte. Alex Kotoko Thb kese Alex kwa circles position me no kwana nye chema Alex o. Me Alex afabu census no your registration no. Alex the THB will release the jersey on 25th August. Okay. Yeah, share omonim say omode eye jersey no ebeba. Obed first story back kan wana me ko captain Sasam.
Go to the transfers kaka. Kotoko right back. On say Makase there were positions that Kotoko needed to add value to it. One was the goalkeeping department. You don't lose Kamara and go blank, even if you won't participate in Africa. Because if you are being honest and careful with West at the same time, Aziz Nadari and Timi and convince Yen after Kamara red card incident were carried on the by. Once a Aziz Neda, ne Kamara Neda, and a Kotoko Karela no. Okudi red card nya 5 matches ban. Sa game na no ma Amos so ban on Ukraine na sequence wa oko. And after that, the opportunity is set. Because it was something that most Kotoko fans were calling for. Said there be Kamara no oko. Onye na him contract no be extended. So why do you still want to play him when you have Aziza was signing 3 years, be kind 2 years with you. So my Aziz in that. Aziz J3 against Bechiv. Aziz J4 against Midiama. Okoji 2 against Ediana. Samates. Swedru All Blacks. Inti ase Aziz bede mu no. Wanje position na mboso. Inti there was the need for competition. And now there comes in Danlat. Goalkeeping department done. Now right back. Kotoko promote Abu Adams, who is still with the team. Then there is also a year Abrantia Freno, Emmanuel Corte. Lord Amo Abeba. The possibility of Lord Beba a year this season, first round in here. Lord Beba, this will be a second round. He's even coming from ACL. You know who even top European teams are their fitness plan, recovery plan, yes, spot on. ACL crowd players me back. What about back in the 6 months? A story of Rodri is a typical example. Kiesa, even after ACL. In the ACL, on the just say, "Udi agrebe ebe kill player and career." So normally, you even want to warm the player in gradually. Tika Kotoko right back on from day one. Nothing like making it clear. Say, "Onya right back up," because a nunti normal Augustine Randolph by. And until at the point, na Saka Dauda not trying to right back to see if he can play that position. Once you Marcos Laurentimo, Jesus Navas, so guys are Man City winger no. Later or go back to Sevilla. He was a winger at the point. No more born a right back. Antonio Valencia, Ashley Young. So there have been wingers that are converted to the right back position. The coach tried that with Saka. That's when he was not impressed. When Nadio Peno and Omar Saka said, he's not part of his plans. Jabeka caught any Abu Adams. And therefore, on the market, maybe they would have been comfortable. But no one say if the window of opportunity set here, they will get him. And Sanjay Yabe, Sejai, Etimi Abeya, Jibo. It looks like Omwankasa here. Also, we see a tinkler, any men or people close to them.
They say, say Lord Amwa, any the other guy. No, the ones who plan right back no. Shaibu, everything here.
I'm in ACL. And you see, you don't put pressure on these players. And you don't normally plan so well around these players. They are there. But they are there. But I say, for GDA shemu bebre. And now kobo bi ana meni obi di say, oge two on you abetimi na tena ho. O da so won nchen or ho there, but for rain shemu bebre so your first choice. I hope you get my point. Into play nya ACL, you still keep the player around, but you go for your main plan. And not that ho. I know a clean one. Now the way they were on for shaggy reasons. If they should return, honestly at this point, no pressure. Shaibu has started physicals. Who say Lord so started be by December we are talking about September, October, November, December, 4 months. 4 months, you know. One thing about second round, say say you omu pra January and then come your recovery for the summer enyehu but normally in January afei na oba no on say oba summer yetumi do pre-season ye betimi kura de waka team no ho na oba bia November na wa pick no aba but January window a bia ye the fa players omo fitness level and match the tempo of the league baby aduru on say league me bo first round na boys na for heat no mo dey cool enti obi o free ACL eba no so wo sa heat no on fam be famu a enyo mo nyina na betimi
okay
obu anu aba wasa abakora no we prebiem so you must have alternative plans now Abu Adams they also wanya automatic promotion but coach decided so ofana ka ho also lost in automatic promotion and Besma Kufuri promotion ya promote to Abu Adams dey say ebi ni ho into the Brian training into like to say you might go back to the youth team
all right
into from where I sit me who say a bad one though we are looking at Lord Amwa coming back but Lord second 1 year contract maintain some before extended court is to contract with the end of the season until you never know until on that score so far based on the news Agadas there no Jibo the Kotoko midfield Abdul Kader Lawson Menu we are sure more say no Adabo Walid Neymar Hubert Joe what you said 6 players Lawson and under 23 call up Joe so under 23 call up so 6 players coach in about 3-man midfield so you are looking at 2 players for every position but boy is be a versatile bit me about how so be say what you said be say Walid bit me about 10 or about 8 near them. One thing these guys are lacking top level experience and even the Kotoko pressure experience. Adabo I feel not on the second season. Joe I feel not on the second season. Lawson I feel near promote no. Walid I feel not on the second season. Joe second season. Abdul Kader first season. You do baby your midfield you need experience. If only he's fit. And you see one thing I must say to me once I'm in time cost so hard on the coach's decision because of process now I'm here who know. On say coach na me who say no matter who recommended you if you don't mean sink into and I won't sink you can't align with how he want to play. That is one obeko if you don't have the physical capacity to put up performance that will match the energy he's demanding obeko. So for such a coach, what chance am you win? Am I a GDA say player ko na so be sanction ne sign na who bibi woni.
Etiyan hwe de Agadas
whether he will convince the
and then anopen obey the first proper training.
Okay.
With Asante Kotoko. Ti mame kwa captain ho.
Okay, so
na captain sia emrasa me ko match ase. Ismail so what tete at the message aba. Or say the hype you people have given Kotoko over the past weeks. If the league starts and they don't go 34/34, you people will hear from some of us.
Africa do be hype. Africa so be hype.
Someone no dey ban no.
Okay, 19 players. Captain, me I don't expect you say we lose 19 players now.
Okay.
19 players and more be bring na start.